In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with HubSpot content. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account and locating the settings icon in the top navigation bar. It looks like a gear. Clicking that opens the central control panel where you'll manage site-wide configurations. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and have the necessary permissions to change website settings. Otherwise, you may not see the options I'll describe next. Once you're in Settings, look to the left sidebar and navigate to Website, then Pages. This section manages all of the content and domains associated with your HubSpot-hosted pages. Depending on how your account is organized, you can apply tracking to a single domain or set a default that covers all domains. Use the drop-down labeled Choose a Domain to Edit to select the exact domain where you want Google Analytics to run. If you want your GA4 integration to apply across every domain and subdomain in your account, choose the Default Settings option. After selecting the domain or default configuration, move to the Integrations tab within the Pages area. This tab contains settings that connect HubSpot to third-party analytics and marketing tools. Look for the option that mentions Google Analytics 4 and enable it by checking the corresponding box. Enabling this tells HubSpot to send page data to your GA4 property. Next, you'll enter your GA4 measurement ID. This is the unique identifier for your Google Analytics 4 property. It usually starts with a capital G followed by a dash and a series of characters. Copy that measurement ID from your Google Analytics account and paste it into the provided field in HubSpot. Be sure you copy it exactly, with no extra spaces, so HubSpot can correctly route data to the right property. When everything looks correct, finalize the process by clicking Save in the bottom left corner of the page. Saving commits the change, so tracking will begin for the selected domain or for all domains if you chose the default. A few quick tips. Confirm that your GA4 property is properly set up and collecting data. Avoid duplicate tracking if you already have another analytics tag in place. And check Google Analytics real-time reports after saving to verify that page views are appearing. If you don't see activity immediately, allow a few minutes and clear your browser cache before testing again. That's it. Your HubSpot content should now be integrated with Google Analytics 4